I know, for example, a lot of you might have really been enjoying playing Animal Crossing, and I know it's finally coming out now, so that's a great thing. I'll be excited to hear about you guys enjoying the game because it's super fun. And I'll, try to have some updates from that so that as you guys progress through the game, I'm sure you all will pass past me soon because I'm getting distracted by Puzzles and Dragons, because that's like what all my whole family plays. My daughter and my husband and I, we all kind of sit down, and that's what we do every morning over coffee. So I've been kind of neglecting my Animal Crossing town a little bit so that I could try to play Puzzles and Dragons, which is called Puzzledora in Japan. Massively popular game. I don't know if you get a chance to check it out. It's a free app for your Android and Apple iOS kind of things. So, but it's a really fun game, and there's a lot of special kind of collaborations that are going on, especially here in Japan. If you get the application in Japan, then there's different prefectures, which are kind of like states that are kind of, one Guma prefecture was doing one that kind of promotes their area with some special kind of monsters for the game. Lots of different anime characters. I know just last week I think it was, they had a special collaboration with Evangelon. So just so many cool, super fun things with that particular game that's kind of taken over Japan. I mean, everybody is playing. So, but yeah, so that's kind of what I've been doing. Not just sitting around all day playing games. No, I wish. You could tell I don't get quite the chance to play because I'm kind of falling desperately behind my daughter and my husband as they keep leveling up, and I'm just sitting around still trying to beat the normal dudes. But